welcome to the stage, Des Bishop!
Maybe I was lucky, but when I came to live in Ireland at 14, I was exempt from learning Irish at school. Lately, however, I've really got a desire to learn the language and see what it is about Irish that has freaked out so many people for so long. So in February 2007, I went to spend 12 months of my life in the Connemara Gaeltacht, the final frontier of Irish life I've yet to explore. I hope not only to learn to speak Irish, but to actually perform the first ever stand-up comedy gig, As Gaeilge. Can I learn the lingo in a year? Can I make them laugh in our native tongue? Here's my story.
We're here at football training. I'm pretty new in the Letchmore football setup. You know, it's funny, I still get a little nervous before training because I don't really know the lads too well. If I were to describe my football skills, I would describe them as pretty shit. I guess in Gaeilge terms, I would consider them as beagán nach réasúnta, sort of nearly reasonable, but definitely not iontach, or not even gama, or not even tau, as they would say in Connemara. So I really, to be honest, I really enjoy the training because, you know, sometimes when the trainer is speaking, I don't know what he's saying, and it's the only time really where I truly feel like I could be an English-speaking person in Spain learning the language. In that, when it's all said and done, I kind of turn to somebody and I say, like, what are we actually doing? And I kind of like that. I kind of like that experience of being totally out of my depth, immersed in the language. Take him.
Take it. I hope some of this is blurred, is it? I hope some of this is blurred, is it?
Only the bits that are big enough to be blurred. Some things don't show up.
Well, I look bigger than blurred.
I'm not fucking beer all tangy lads, such a countless.
What's the best thing to shout, like on the pitch or something?
Get out the fucking way.
No, opposition player has pissed you off. What's the best thing to sort of shout in Irish?
Fucking arsehole.
What?
Fucking arsehole.
Fucking arsehole. Fucking donkey, is it? It's a nice mix of the two languages.
I think a lot of Irish people, truth be told, want me to fail. They really do. Because when people talk to me, they like, Céim fá? Like, why? Why would you want to learn the language? You know, are you finding it difficult? And I'll be like, actually, I'm not actually finding that difficult. And they hate that because now they're losing an excuse. They can't just say it's too difficult. They can say it was taught badly, but now they can no longer say it is too difficult. So therefore, when I say it's not difficult, immediately they say to me, oh, well, have you done the Mochanílacht yet? I say, no, actually, I haven't done the Mocha. Oh, well then. Oh, that's what. Oh, sure. Tashi an éasca gaji fucking Mochanílacht. But once you meet the Mochanílacht, that's it, man. I genuinely was afraid of the Mochanílacht. But I looked it up when I started learning Irish, and it turns out it's the present conditional tense. It's the conditional tense of a verb. Things that might happen. You know, things that might happen depending on the conditions. A conditional tense of a verb is this thing that Irish people have been going on about for years. The Mochanílacht. The Mochanílacht. I've actually decided not to learn the Mochanílacht. I'm actually going to make a horror movie called The Mochanílacht, where a village in the west of Ireland is terrorized by something that might happen depending on the conditions. The Mochanílacht. The Mochanílacht! Should we be afraid, Dad? I'm not sure yet.
Dinner made bon level. So, like, yeah, Tasha éasca.
Okay.
Well, Lacuna J, Neil, you know.
Okay.
Neil make
You'll be okay.
Neil make kincher, but Tasula gum Brescia éasca.
Okay.
Brescia so on. If I can be shiverish. Jesus, how come it wasn't like that when I was in school? Jeez, I would have been a happy camper. Never heard it.
Kita focail sin. Fear ag fós sa ghordaí. Kita tú rá.
Oh, to fair, yeah, grass.
Yeah, so think of sin fá.
Fear.
Yeah, sin in fair as fair.
Fair. See, Nina some came for like father or like you know like.
An close, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, now sin fá grosh the goni. No.
But new manum take up all the time.
No,
like
no.
it was basically like wrong a tree problem. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, but the reason they were laughing is the Gaudi is because see the answers are all here. You see, I guess we should I guess we should don't tell them, you know. So I feel, you know.
Ah, my
See, it's on the class.
It's on the joke of the class.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm getting on great in Leicester Moor. I kind of feel like people are starting to accept. I mean, I'm not looking to be like a member of the community, but I'm looking to be an active visitor, and I think people are kind of accepting me as that, you know. So I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, I've been here over 2 months now, so you start to get the impression that even though you're a visitor, that you're a very welcome visitor, you know. Whereas before you feel like people are being hospitable, now you feel like they couldn't give a shit, you know.
After a while, everyone just realizes that you're happy enough to just hang around, and then they stop being suspicious of you. Just like my little ass right here. Me and her, we're chilling. And we'll fleas on it. And we'll fleas on it.
Nero Hana.
Capum Eska Agum. Capum Eska Agum. Tanya?
Nisa.
Tanisa.
Get we work. Nisa this. All the way up.
Hey!
Oh, and this works. Exactly.
Oh, tough fucking fish more.
Mango.
Eska more.
Chill mark.
I haven't been fishing much in my life. So Tasha,
So I could see this.
Tasha should move it more.
But just this work that we didn't right to work.
Just I tell you.
Huh?
Tá green.
What do you think?
Ag dul she's August. Tá éasca galore. Tá galore éasca again. August. I'm sure go all in. August. Warga. Still.
Show on lot.
Connemara. Everything in Connemara gets a fucking W. When I'm in Connemara, I feel like Jonathan Ross is following me around everywhere.
Now, should then popper skrif dassa. Kerten popper skrif. So just remember we skip we vision kart you new brand with it. We took calculor shin.
Oh, Carcolor, yeah.
Nish. Roshesha Jacker.
Yeah, little Jacker. Ni higum gachra.
Yeah, calculor. I mean the two earacht.
I'm gonna do the Bun level leaving cert in a couple of weeks, and that's foundation level basically. And you know, the reason I'm doing foundation level is because I can sit this written exam. You know, it's not beyond me. But most importantly, I just want to do an exam just to keep me focused. But in general, I just kind of enjoy it. You know, like when you're older, it's weird. You become everything you thought you would never become. So I've turned into a bit of a SWAT, really. And I'm trying to be the best student that I possibly can be. But the main difference between here and school is that I want to learn this. You know what I mean? Like, I was in school because I had to be. If I do 2 hours a day, I feel like I've done loads. You know, because it's just one subject. It's pretty enjoyable, you know.
I know, I am a little bit nervous.
Yeah, but there's a nod or
I never thought I'd be doing my leaving again.
Yeah, yeah.
No, should be fine. I don't want to let you guys down.
No, better cart.
Historical moment.
Ben
The first
moet een good Timo.
first foundation level
Yeah.
ever. I don't want to mess it up.
Ní an tuition. Tá an winning an asset.
You're mine.
Dig an tuition.
I take it too.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
So I did the foundation level leaving cert. Man, I don't know if some people did that shit, but that shit is way too easy. Irish is like the most difficult subject in school for so many people, but then the foundation level is a fucking joke. If you are taking the foundation level after 14 years of learning a language, there's something wrong, man. No, seriously, it's so easy. There's pictures for the first 3 sections of the exam that you just have to match. No, I'm not joking you, man. You just have to match. And one of them was an airplane outside of a hangar, and then I had to match it to Aerofort. I mean, come on, man. Even if you were dyslexic, you'd actually think Aerofort is spelled correctly and everything. Like, that is too fucking easy. And then there was a picture of a car, and then there was car on the other side with 2 R's. I swear to God, I was thinking, this is a fucking trick question, man. They're fucking with me. Car means something else altogether. Tommy Coláiste Lurgan, the Irish college, basically, and an experience I always wanted to have from the way people talked about it, and to be honest with you, I can see why. I came here because I thought it would be funny, and now that I'm here, I actually think it's brilliant. I don't just mean for comedy purposes, I'm learning loads, and I think it's great fun, and tá buachaillí iontach anseo, like buachaillí iontach. Tá mé ansásta linn, or low. Tá mé ansásta low. Agus, you know, like, Bainwood, Egimmert, Cliffa Galore, Aimsha Gahalin, you know? And now I know what everybody was on about when they talk about Irish college.
Okay, log on the staff, click color, Aberlath, it's not in your della. Click on into cap or with a dough. Sauce. Okay, not as the close. Yeah, HB here, my fair. Dough. Ma. Okay, HB here, my carry. Okay, Cliff dough. Okay, agus HB here. My fair. Nish, second one. Dichinu with that.
Because ní rá is an thula tú. A, E, O, U, T, Rani, Let hold. Let hold.
A, E, I, O, U, T,
Arish.
A, E, I, O, U, T, A, E, I, O, T,
Tá idea agam.
Yeah.
Gramahat.
Baita Ibrahim in Sugar.
Tá sé crack amach a gimmert lei na pastí. Tá energy more acu, you know, so like you know, I feel like I'm 10 years younger. Actually, that was so much fun. We collected my Gaeilge freshen, you know, tá mé collected my Gaeilge freshen. So tá mé gimmert rugby, agus tá mé fólam Gaeilge, agus tá mé ag all green, tá mé ag all fit. Tá sé happiest day of my life. So, no, it's good, man.
Learning Irish in Connemara, I'm not learning it by writing it, you know. I'm a bit better at the writing now, but at the start, I wasn't even looking at it, you know what I mean? I was just hearing it, and people would say what it is, so I would start to imagine what those words look like in my head. That is a dangerous thing to do in Irish, because Irish words look nothing like they sound. You know, like, take the word like Will. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the first time I met Will, I thought to myself, Will, is that you? Well, I never would have put an F in you. Never. Never would I have thought there was an F in you. B-H-F-U-I-L. Well, Will, for the record, if I had met you and not known who you were, I would have called you Buffa Will. But now I know why there is an F in Will. The F stands for fuck you, Yankee man, if you think you're learning this language. 2.5 million other Irish people can't be wrong. Oh.
I'm doing an audition for South Park. But I just heard about it, so I just thought it would be interesting to give it a go. Because I guess, I mean, I wouldn't say I'm a massive fan, but I really like South Park. And I think it's pretty cool that it's going to be on TG Carr. Jesus, Neil me able to egg lave Irish. Like, I can't fucking read it. Tasha on Jacker. Because tell me on what egg on lave barrel. You know, like four, reading cold. But, Jesus, Neil me and on egg lave Gaelga. Actually, Tasha on embarrassing, actually, so far. Oh, fucking much, like fucking much. It's good practice. Something different, anyway. It's better than learning in the classroom. I'd rather learn it through South Park characters. Touch I need some ass in them. Come on.
They'll make on the raw.
Yeah.
They'll make. Suck my ball.
Sorry. Touch it helps me.
Suck my lair out of
Just Abernina Coupleur in Lower Cartman must visit it.
You can't come to school with me.
Hey! Not to do the near my getter. Ni fail at hack their skull long.
Good ass. Sinead Godilach, yeah. Gurmad.
Well, in you, tá Shanawak steak, agus the rower it a foot upon a glass, no slam glasser. Well, in you, the Shanawak steak, agus the rower it a foot upon a glass, no slam glasser. Shit. It's hard to keep a straight face, because you're trying to be really black.
It was great crack now. I mean, I was nervous beforehand because I did a little practice session, and it was really hard because it was kind of like one line after the other. But when you do the actual bit, you know, you hear it in English first, so you can kind of have the voices like immediately in your head, and then you can just say the line. So it was easier than I thought. But whatever, it was a great crack because at the end they put your voice like, you know, so all of a sudden you're all the characters in South Park.
Fail at hack their skull long. Yeah, go while you do they know.
There's loads of fucking Irish pronunciations that just don't exist within my spirit. Oh, or the one I find even more, Tame Mahoney, like, when the G gets a fucking uru, I don't know what to do with it. Tame Mahoney, every time I say it, somebody kind of, it's not it's I'm always going, I can't get it. There's no sound in my mind. There's no sound that exists in my mind that I can reference to get that sound. The only thing that comes slightly close, God forgive me, to that the only sound I can ever remember that slightly resembles that sound is, you know when you're like 13 or 14 and you first start jerking off and you know, you can go for like ages. You know what I'm talking about. I mean, you can go for like ages. Now this show is not a dirty show, but this is a genuine sound. Finally, when you're like, please, trying to focus on everything. And finally, when it goes, you're just, Tommy Mahoney. Tonight is my first match with the Junior C's, which is, the Junior C wouldn't exactly be something to write home about. I don't think I'll be getting my picture in the Connacht Tribune or anything. But I am playing, well, I'm on the bench anyway, against Carrow, which is the local rival. This is Man City versus Man U, or Cork versus Kilkenny. Big rivalry. I'm a big on nerve shock. No, I'm definitely nervous, man. I'm not really a good footballer now, I have to tell you. I'm pretty shit, but I am just looking forward to just doing it for the laugh. You know, like, I think it tells people as well, like in Letchermore, that I'm genuinely giving this thing, you know, giving it a go. And hopefully it'll help them to just talk to me more and more, Oscarga, so that they stop talking to me in English, which can be a problem from time to time.
Cookie Steflet, Steph, Cool, Lloyd, Ferret Key. Nima Gera and fucking freely shuffled your excellence. Then a bit. 110% commitment to new lads. Alright? Come on, lads. Come on, boys. Shits or fucking busting you up. I think it's one. Come on, hold on. Put your game show open. Put your game a fucking game show open. We're going to get fucking on and just ball here. Come on.
Go.
Care the fuck of like point us, Points it. Cooling. And care the fuck of wide. 14. R4E. Are you for E? That stuff helps though, actually. You know, like you say, for real, and then you go, are you for real? And then you remember.
It's like French.
It's important to have associations, right? So, for me, I will never forget my pocket in Irish because mofoca sounds exactly like the way the brothers in Harlem say motherfucker, right? So now if somebody says to me, that is a polka, what is it when it becomes your pocket? I will say, get your hand out of mofoca, mofoca. That's my foca. Mofoca. Mofoca, bitch. Oh no, Tabronorm, mofoca, bitch. You wouldn't need to shave it otherwise.
Come here.
Instead of get me out of there, get me in there.
I'm a celebrity, get me in, Cuivon, for the love of fuck. What? Fáin no. Sorry, Arish?
Nach Chave an Seal a Gunamara.
Nach Chave an Seal
Bra. Seal Bra.
Nick.
Nach Chave an Seal Bra.
Nach Chave an Seal Bra. Nach Chave an Seal Bra. Okay, right away. Nach Chave an Seal Bra I Gunamara. Nach who? Look to red.
Ah!
Oh, Sloan!
Oh, boys, Sloan! Make him a motor ship! Go on!
Maybe I need to say to all the young people of Ireland, come and phone them Gaelga nish. Neil say Jacker RB. Function. What's your right? I got a strong connection to Jump Around by House of Pain, being an Irish American and everything. I've just wanted to translate it for ages.
Doing the club, doing the veil, ace thing the scale. My captain took a ticket to the gale.
I've hit a bit of a stage where I'm just kind of like a little bit sick of learning Irish. I have a life, like it happens to be somewhere else. Why am I here doing this?